Okay, so I am back from Japan, finishing up a little bit of work. My house, I stayed out there for about a week. Um, I like it there. I moved this big furnace from over there. Thing is extremely heavy. Um, so I'm still working on my house. Um, Let's move this big dump wood drum. Move this back. I'm gonna start putting up my walls. Of course, after I redo this floor, I decided not to worry about mopping this up just yet because, well, I have more work to do. So, anyway, show you guys a little bit of stuff I got back from Japan. I had to have most of this sent back, those two items from Japan, and that's my sticker on there. I had to go through customs because they don't know what's coming in, and this right here came from customs along with this. This is a small gun that they had down there. It's like a BB gun. That's the big one that usually rides in my truck, and that's not a BB gun. This is the real deal, ladies and gentlemen. This thing right here is a real small 2mm pinfire round gun. It cocks and everything. You load your bullets in, just like the real deal right there. Move your safety pin up, then you lift your hammer. Then you can fold the barrel. You load, as you can see, I got a bullet in there already. And I would shoot it, but it sounds like a 22 going off, so I'm not gonna shoot it in the house. This thing really did bust my car window and my 92 Camaro. So, yeah, this is not a toy, not at all. I got this from my friend's gun shop. Yeah, but it's enough to bust a car window out. Never been shot with it, and don't want to be shot with it. This is the, I got this from Japan. They got a little machine over there, but this is a micro-sized BB gun. This is amazingly strong also. I shot one while I was there. They come in pistol style. I know some Japanese, but I definitely cannot keep up with everything they're saying, but I know basic, let me say that. So, like I say, it's just a few of my different things that are around. I do keep one of these in some of my trucks, because when I go up to Pennsylvania, my buddy got a big property up there, and sometimes we just shoot at old like furniture, TVs and refrigerators and stuff. So next time I go up there, maybe I can get a video of me shooting. But this